Hey you guys, we're doing a review on the Alpine 6x9s. That's how the box look. And 85 watts RMS 6x9s. And these are the S-S69. And we're gonna do the unboxing of them. Let's see. That's how that looks. And it has instructions on the back on how to install them. And we're gonna open them up here today. Let's see what would all we get. Right out the box, you get this little, just a little manual thing. Set that down. Don't let these come out just like that. Let's see what this right here. It's got a lot of little, your connectors. It comes with your connectors and a whole bunch of screws. And this is some kind of, I don't know what this is yet. But you got your connectors here, so you can see. And we're gonna take them out and see what one looks like. Okay, as we got them coming out here, it comes with this little black part. Oh, that looks really nice. Looks very nice. Come up and get it out. Whoa, guys. Looks pretty good. These things are going to be booming. And it comes like this. So you can see your connectors. Which one is positive? Okay, yeah, this big one right here is positive, and this small one is negative. And it looks like this. And yeah, the guys, these look pretty good. Like that. And it's pretty heavy. Alpine got it going on. You have your little tweeter right here. It's a soft little screen right here. And yeah, that's what they look like, guys. And we're gonna install these. Look at that. See what it says on the big magnet. Two-way speaker system, 6x9. Yeah, that looks like very nice material. Here's a little, it's a little copper little swirl right there. Yeah, Alpine. Yeah, I was talking to the guy at the store, and I was asking him about the overall. He said overall, these Alpine are the best. And I was talking about the kickers. They had, I think it was the JVCs and two more different name brands. And he was saying overall, all around sound, he said you can't go wrong with these Alpine. And these look like it's gonna be bumping pretty good. And we're gonna get back with you guys once we get them installed, and I'm gonna show you when I'm running in the car. Hey you guys, as you can see, the Alpine is up top and the Pyramid is down low. You can see the magnet size. The Alpine magnet is way bigger, if you can see that. And this the Pyramid, 10x4, and up top is the Alpine 6x9. And as you can see, the magnet size, the one up top is bigger, the Alpine. Hey guys, we back again. Well, we're in the back of the car, and I wanted to show you guys what kind of speakers I had back here. If you can see that says Pyramid three-way system, 300 watts. And I also got another one over here, Pyramid three-way system, and that one says 300 watts. And I'm not saying that these aren't loud, But these guys been in here for almost, oh man, I say about 15 years. I never changed these since I bought this car. And we about to crank it up to the radio, the volume all the way up to 40. And these things, they're pretty loud. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it up and let you hear these two play. And then I'm gonna take that one out and put the Alpine 6x9 in that one, and we're gonna do a comparison. But first we're gonna do a comparison. We're just gonna play both of these at the same time and see if y'all can see the difference. But these are 10x4s. 10x4s, guys. So the 6x9s are a little bit bigger, but you can see that that ain't even taking over the hole. So I don't know if this is a fair test because these are 10x4s. So we're gonna crank it up, guys, to 40. How do you guys think that sound? Okay guys, y'all guys heard that? They pretty loud, just like I said, and they've been lasting for a long time, but we about to upgrade. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this one in here and we're gonna replace that with the Alpine 6x9, and we're just gonna compare that way. So we're gonna have that one in there and we're gonna have the Alpine over here, and we're gonna do a test like that and see if we can see any difference. Hey you guys, as you can see, we have the Alpine installed. There she is in there, and we still have the Pyramid 10x4 over here, and we're about to turn it up and see the comparison. As I said, the 6x9 is bigger, but this is a 10x4, and we're about to crank it up to see how much movement we have and how much bass we got going on. So we're about to turn it back up to 40. A lot of movement, guys. A lot of movement. What do you guys think? Wow. It's hitting hard. In my opinion, guys, the Alpine is hitting harder than the Pyramid 300, and that's a 4x10 right there. As you can see, it's not taking over that space, so I don't know if this was a fair test, but I can tell you that the Alpine is hitting more movement, more bass, and it sounds very good. Now we're about to take this Pyramid out and put an Alpine in this side. So we're gonna have two Alpines, one over there and one over here. And let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Okay guys, we got both of the Alpines plugged in, as you can see. And we're about to crank this bad boy back up to 40 and see how it sounds. watching, you guys. Like and subscribe.